So you've poured your heart and soul into building a great website. You're creating amazing content. People are visiting your site. Now, you're probably wondering how to make your hard work pay off. One of the best ways is to monetize your site. And guess what? Google AdSense is your new best friend. AdSense is like that magical bridge between your awesome content and eager advertisers. You get paid by displaying targeted ads on your website. It's super easy to use, even for beginners. Whether you're a blogger, a news site owner, or run a forum, AdSense can help you turn your passion into profit. Imagine waking up to find you've earned money while you slept. By placing a few ads here and there, you can start earning money from day one. The more traffic you get, the more your earning potential grows. AdSense can help you understand your audience better. It shows you what kind of ads they click on. It's a win-win. Let's break down how AdSense works, shall we? It's all about connecting advertisers with the right audience. Think of it like a marketplace. Advertisers want to show their ads to people who are interested in what they offer. That's where your website comes in. When you sign up for AdSense, you get a special code to add to your website. This code acts like a little ad manager. It automatically displays ads that are relevant to your content and, more importantly, your audience. So, if you write about travel, you might see ads for hotels, airlines, or luggage. Every time a visitor lands on your page and sees those ads, you earn a small amount of money. And if they click on an ad, you earn even more. It's that simple. The more traffic you get, the more ad impressions and clicks you'll get. Google uses sophisticated algorithms to make sure the ads are a good fit for your website. They want visitors to actually be interested in what they see. Plus, you have control over the types of ads that appear on your site. You can customize the look and feel of the ads to match your website's design. This way, you can maintain the integrity of your content and your brand. Ready to jump in and start earning? Great! Getting started with AdSense is a piece of cake. Head over to the Google AdSense website and create an account. Don't worry, it's free. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your website. Once you're all signed up, AdSense will review your application. This usually takes a few days. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your very own AdSense dashboard. Here you can create ads, track your earnings, and customize how ads appear on your site. Simply copy and paste that code into your website's HTML, where you want the ad to appear. Keep creating great content, drive traffic to your website, and watch the earnings roll in. Alright, so you've got AdSense up and running on your site. Awesome. Now, let's talk about how to squeeze every last penny out of those ads. It's all about working smarter, not harder. First things first, traffic is king. The more people you get on your website, the more opportunities you have to earn. Focus on creating high-quality content that people actually want to read, watch, or listen to. Promote your content on social media, engage with your audience, and watch your traffic soar. Next up, let's talk about ad placement. Where you place your ads can make a huge difference in your click-through rates and earnings. Experiment with different ad formats and placements. Try placing ads above the fold, within your content, or in the sidebar. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad types too. AdSense offers a variety of ad formats, including text ads, display ads, and even video ads. Track your earnings, click-through rates, and other metrics to make informed decisions. Let's face it, even with the best intentions, you might run into a few bumps in the road with AdSense. But don't worry, every problem has a solution. Let's troubleshoot some common AdSense challenges and get you back on track. One common issue is getting your AdSense account approved in the first place. Google has strict guidelines to maintain the quality of their ad network. Make sure your website has original, high-quality content, a user-friendly design, and clear navigation. If your application is rejected, don't give up. Address any issues and reapply. Another common hurdle is dealing with low earnings. Focus on driving more traffic to your site, optimizing your ad placements, and choosing the right ad formats. If you notice any problems, don't hesitate to contact AdSense support. Stay informed and adapt your strategies as needed. So, there you have it, your crash course in monetizing your website with Google AdSense. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit, even if you're just starting out. Remember, the key is to create great content, drive traffic to your site, and optimize your AdSense setup for maximum earnings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad formats, placements, and strategies. The beauty of AdSense is that it's incredibly flexible. You can customize it to fit your unique needs and goals. Sign up for AdSense, add the code to your website, and start earning passive income from your hard work. Start earning today.